YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Checking in with you guys from the nighttime. It's a little dark right now, but we're doing a little night vlog right now. Homie Stevenson from Chicago, Cali Breeze Photography, is in town. We're gonna meet up with him real quick to take some night shots. His camera is fucking sick. So he's always passing through. He's a truck driver, so he's always passing through and we can never link up. But tonight I'm just gonna link up with him real quick, get some pictures, say what's up, meet him for the first time. So I should be straight. It's good to put faces to, you know, cars and people you hang out with on Instagram all the time. I usually put my car in M1 and then I change the dial down here to sport so it opens the valve. I just heard it and now we're gonna piss off my neighbors. Sorry neighbors. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I link up with Stevenson. He's at a hotel close by, so I'll catch up with you guys then. Alright, so we just pulled up to this hotel close by. What is it? A Marriott Fairfield Inn and Suites. Linking up with my boy Stevenson. He's already shooting the car. This is the first time I ever had someone else shoot my car, so this is pretty funny. He even asked the hotel lobbyist if this was okay and we wanted to get kicked out, and she said go for it. But yeah, luckily my car is already clean. I just cleaned the wheels a little bit. This is fire. This lighting in this spot. I'm gonna shoot here another time if I can. This is a homie, Stevenson.
What up, boys? What up, boys?
Longtime homie on Instagram, F30 Mendez, Cali Breeze Photography. Give him a follow, you already know. I'll put his Instagram right here. I'll put it at the bottom. Link up with him. His shots are fire. Getting the man in action. Like I said, this is the first time I ever had a homie or anybody else shoot pictures of my car, and I'm glad it's my homie right here.
Yeah, I appreciate that, bro.
Man's rocking the Sony A7R. Whew. But yeah, I thought I'd pick up the GoPro and make a little vlog for you guys since content's a little dry right now. And especially when the homie's in town, might as well link up, get some shots going. Why not? Why not? Car's looking juicy though. Sheesh. So dope to meet homies from Instagram in real life. Actually, a surprise for you guys. I think F30, my boy John, is coming to town next week with some homies. So we're gonna link up with him, make a video, have some fun. You know, be boys, catch up, meet for the first time. So that should be fun. Stay tuned for that. You guys need a photographer, hit him up. Always ready. So yeah, like I just mentioned, next week I think F30 and his boy Jay are coming down to Florida, coming down to Orlando just to link up, have some fun. So hopefully we got something planned for you guys, whether it's just chilling, talking, making a feature film, we'll see. Bro, his camera literally shits on mine. And try to build the credit and pay on time and shit. Sometimes it's hard, bro, you know?
Oh yeah, bro. You gotta commit to it, right?
Yeah.
You wanna have stuff like this?
Yeah. Behind the scenes. Switched up the spot. Going straight on with the blinkers on.
It's so good that it happened because now I can tell my wife that I have a justification to figure it out. Hold on, let me get one like this, bro.
Yeah.
With the
So do I sit in the back like
Alright, we're about to wrap it up. Gotta go home. It was good seeing my boy though. I'm gonna buy him dinner. Gotta take care of your photographers, boys. Can't wait to see these shots, homie.
Oh, bro, they're gonna. This part reminds me so much of that picture that I took of my car, bro.
Alright, boys, we're back at home now in the garage. It was sweet meeting Stevenson for the first time. Makes you want to get a new camera for real. His camera is fire. You don't know if you're gonna see the pics in this video, but I'll be sure to post them on Instagram. Hit me with a follow. But yeah, it was super dope meeting Stevenson. Super chill guy. Good to talk about our cars, our dreams, and our aspirations and stuff like that. So super down to earth dude, super humble. If you ever need pics, he's always driving around the country, so hit him up. His pics are insane. Again, I'm gonna put his Instagram page right here, and make sure you give him a follow. I'll put it down below. But I want to thank you guys for watching this short one. Stay tuned next week. We got Thick F30 rolling into town, so I'm sure you guys will see more content soon. It's actually pretty funny that I didn't have anything to film personally, but we have friends from out of the state coming to town, so now we got stuff to film. So stay tuned for that. Catch you on the next one. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.